our revision sheet. Let's start.
Let's name the 3 dimensions figures here. Okay, first one. What is the name of the first one here? First, we need to name the shape, find the edge, find the vertex, and the faces for each one. Okay, so we need to count how many edges, how many vertex, and how many faces. So here, this first shape here is, we have one base. How many base we have? We have one base. We have one base. How many base we have? We have one base. One base here, this one down. So if I have one base, so it's a pyramid. Okay, but if the base is circle, so this shape is a cone. So here we write cone. How many edges we have here? How many edges in a cone? How many vertex? We have only one vertex up here. This one is a vertex. We have vertex here. How many edges in a cone? We have here only one edge. This down is one edge, so we have one edge. How many vertex? Vertex is this point up, so we have one vertex. How many faces? Here we have two faces. We have face down is circle, and this one is a face. Okay, this shape is polyhedron or not a polyhedron? We said before, polyhedron is any 3D shapes like a polygon and without any curved sides. So no curved sides. We have here, of course, curved side, and we have circle. So this is not a polyhedron. Okay. Next one we have here. How many bases we have? How many bases we have? We have one base. If we have one base, so the shape is a pyramid. Okay. But how we call the pyramid? We call it by the type of the base. What is the type of the base here? 4 by 4 means it's a square. So this shape is a square pyramid. Okay. Next, how many edges here? Let's count the edge. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 edges down. Okay. Then from each one we have 1, 2, 3. We have this one, 3, and 4 in the back. So 4 and 4 means 8 edges. Okay. Don't forget that if I have only one base and all the edges meet in one point, so it's a pyramid or cone. Okay. Same of the cone. If I have only one base and all the edges meet in one point, so it's pyramid or cone. How we can call the pyramid? We call it by the name of the base. The base here is square, so it's a square pyramid. The base here rectangle, so it's a rectangular pyramid. Okay. Whatever the base is, we call it by the base. Let's go next one. How many vertex? First, I will delete this. Okay. How many vertex we have? We have 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertex. We have 5 vertex. How many faces? We have 1 face down, this is the base, and we have 4 faces in the sides, like this one. This is one face, this is one face, and in the back you can find 2 faces. So it's 4 plus 1, 5 faces. Is this shape polyhedron or not? We said polyhedron means that no curved sides or no curved face, no curved or circle at all. So this is a polyhedron. Yes. Let's go next. Here, how many bases we have? We have 2 bases. We have base up here, you can see it, and base down. If I complete like this, so I have base down. So I have 2 bases here. If I have 2 bases, so the shape will be prism. The shape will be prism. If the shape is prism, we call it the prism by the name of the base. What is the name of the base here? The base here is 8 by 10. 8 by 10 means it's a rectangle. So it will be rectangular prism. Okay, let's count how many edges, vertex, and faces we have. Let's complete our shape like this. So it will be easy to count. How many edges we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 down and 4 up. Okay, so this is 8. Then we have 1, 2, 3, and 1 in the back, 4. So that means we have 4. We have 4 in the sides, 4 up and 4 down. It's mean 12 edges. How many vertex? Let's count the vertex that we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 in the back. So we have 8 vertex. How many faces? Okay, face means that side. So here we have 1 face, 1, 2 in that side, 3 in the back, 4 here, and 1 up, 1 down, means 6 faces. Is that shape polyhedron or not? We said polyhedron means that the shape has no curved side. No curved side, so this shape is polyhedron, yes. Yes, it is a polyhedron. Let's go next. Here we have 2 base. We have base up and base down. Base up and base down. What is the kind of the base? It's circle. If we have 2 base up and base down, and the base is circle, so this is cylinder. Let's count for cylinder how many edges, vertex, and faces for the cylinder. We have 1 face up, 1 face down, and 1 face is the side. So we have 3 faces. Okay. How many edges we have? We have 2 edges. This 1 edge up and 1 edge down. Okay. So we have 2 edges. Let's go to the vertex. Do we have any vertex here? No. So vertex is 0. This shape is polyhedron or not a polyhedron? It's not a polyhedron because this shape is cylinder. So no, it's not a polyhedron. Next shape we have here 2 base. We have 2 base, 1 base here and 1 base here. If I have 2 base, so it's a prism. How we can call a prism? We call it by the name of the base. What is the name of the base? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means it's a pentagon. So it will be pentagonal prism. How many edges we have? Let's count how many edges. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the side, 5 in the back. So this is 10. Okay. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5. So that means 15 edges. 5 up, 5 down, and 5 in the sides. How many vertex? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5 means 10. How many faces we have here? We have one base, we have two bases, and in the sides we have 1, 2, 3, okay, 4 here in the back and 5 here also in the back. So 5 and 2 bases mean 7 faces. Is that shape polyhedron or not a polyhedron? It's not a polyhedron. Why it's not a polyhedron? This shape is polyhedron or not? Of course it's a polyhedron because we don't have any curved shape. Let's go next. We have here shape with two base. This is one base here, okay, and the same in the back. So we have two base. If we have two base, we said it's a prism. We call the prism with the name of the base. What is the name of the base here? Is triangle. So we will call it triangular prism. How many edges? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 edges. How many vertex? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertex. How many faces? We have 2 faces, one up and down. We have 3 faces in the side, so 3 and 2 is 5. Is it polyhedron or not? Yes, it is a polyhedron because not curved side. We don't have curved side here. Let's go next. This one, I will change the color. This one, I have only one base down. You can see only this base down. This is our base down. So if we have only one base, so this one is a pyramid. Okay, how we call pyramid? We call pyramid with the name of the base. What is the name of the base here? Triangle. So it will be triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid. Edges. How many edges we have here? Okay, we have 1, 2, 3 down, and we have 1, 2, 3 in the side. So all the edges is 6. How many vertex? 1, 2, 3, 4 vertex. How many faces? We have 1 face down, of course, and 3 faces in the side. We have 1 face down here, and we have 3 faces in the side. This is 1 here, 2 and 1 in the back. So 1 and 3 mean 4 faces. This shape is polyhedron or not a polyhedron? It's not a polyhedron. It's a polyhedron because we don't have any curved side. So yes, it is a polyhedron.